Hey guys, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly, as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Hello everyone, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly, as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening. How are you guys? Is everybody fine? Is everybody great? Is everybody good? Good. Good? No issues? That's great, guys. How was your day? How was your day? Did you guys had a productive day today? Did you guys started learning something or doing something or something productive? Okay, every your day should be something that you're coming to the boot camp. You guys like, yeah, I had an awesome day. It was amazing. It was sexy as fuck. That is what you should be saying to me. Okay. That is what I want to hear from you guys. Learn new things every single day, man. You are not okay. You are not a like an old person anymore. You guys are young. You guys are in the age of your life where you should be working every single day, where you should be hustling every single day, learning every day to achieve you whatever you are set out to achieve. You want to get into Google? No issues. You want to get into Microsoft, Amazon? No issues. You want to start your own startup? No issues. Plan for that. Get into that, man. That is what you should be working towards. Okay? I hope that you guys have started doing that, and I hope you guys will be able to do amazing things out ahead, guys. Okay? I'm doing mechanical engineering. Is this course any useful for me? See, please try to understand it. Anybody and everybody, no matter if you are from mechanical engineering, you are from civil engineering, you are from CSE, IT, you are from BSc, BCA, MCA, BBA, MBA, you are from maritime engineering, merchant navy, any field that you are in. I don't give a fuck. Neither do these companies as well. If you want to get a high paying fresher job, you have to enter into the IT sector. And in the IT sector, these IT companies do not care whether you're doing BCom, whether you're doing BTech, whether you're doing civil, chemical, mechanical. They don't care about it. They don't give a fuck. And that is what I want you guys to understand as well. You should start working, you should start learning at least data structures and algorithms, computer programming. Because one more thing, guys, if you are planning to get into data science, if you are planning to get into machine learning, deep learning, AI, ML, anything, front end engineering, back end engineering, cloud computing, DevOps, you want to enter into software engineering, software testing, anything that you want to enter into that is related to IT, you have to learn data structures and algorithms as well. So I want to switch from non-IT to IT. Please guide me, sir, where to start. Priyank, start by learning data structures and algorithms and computer programming in either C++ and Java. Along with that, learn full stack web development. Okay. I study agriculture, but I wish to be successful in tech. You can easily do that. See, guys, for example, like I said, DevTown has placed more than 5,900 students up till now just in full stack web development with an average placement of more than 15 lakhs per annum. More than 15 lakhs per annum, that is the average package. Most of the students were from some other field itself. We had students from maritime engineering and merchant navy. Merchant navy, it is not even related to IT, not even related to BTech as well. We place those students into Amazon. Right now, they are working as front end engineers in React JS in Amazon at 34 lakhs per annum. You can also do it. These companies are just looking forward to whether you are having a right skill set, right knowledge. If you have it, most welcome into our company. If you don't have it, do not enter into our company. It's as simple as that. As simple as that, guys. Okay. And please do not like study some shitty ass things like PHP and all these kind of stuff. Okay, these are dead more than 25 years ago. Start learning something new right now. Learn about Mern Stack, MongoDB, Express, Node.js, React. Learn about AWS. Learn about Docker, Kubernetes. Learn about CI/CD. Learn about Git, GitHub. These are the things that you should be working upon. So conduct a session regarding AWS. I just completed a boot camp regarding AWS itself. पानी है क्या? नहीं है, चल रहा है. पानी है क्या? Okay. How to crack Google by studying, I guess. Okay. Is HackerRank useful for improving programming? Not at all. They are really very shit. You should use platforms like LeetCode and CodeChef. Sir, आप Bangalore से हो ना? I live in Bangalore. I'm not from Bangalore, but yeah, I live in Bangalore right now. Many layoffs are happening in the company. Yes, many layoffs are happening, but not in India. Outside India, the layoffs are happening. In India, they have cheap labor. We are like the same person. So, for example, right now I'm getting paid 90 lakhs per year for doing the job that I'm currently doing. My counterpart in US that used to work 5 months ago used to get almost $500,000. Okay, almost 3.5 to 4 crores used to get it, almost 5 times more than me. I still have my job. That person has been laid off. So most of the laying off is happening outside India because these are the people who are getting paid more than what they deserve. Okay, in India it's fine. We are not going to get laid off any particular point of time. It's not 9, it's 90. Fucking bitch. I did a lot of things for that. Okay. Uh so why did you leave Google? Oh, somebody's asking my favorite question. Why did I leave Google? For money. So basically, like somebody else offered me more than 30% of my package in Google. So I just left the company. I don't have any like key thing for it, right? So I just left it. As simple as that. What is your qualification? BTech CSE. That's my qualification. Is Java still in demand or getting replaced by Python? Actually, it is getting replaced by JavaScript. Python, nah. For web development, do not learn Python. For web development, learn JavaScript itself. Okay, so guys, shall we start with our today's class, guys? Please let me know. Today we are going to have a small class. Will that be fine? Today we are going to have a small class. Will that be fine, guys? Please let me know. Good. So let's get started, guys. So first of all, what do we need to see? What is Docker? Okay, what is Docker? So yesterday, did you guys understand what is Docker, or did you guys did not understand what is Docker? Very simple question. Very simple question, guys. Did you understood what is Docker yesterday, or did you guys were not able to understand what is Docker? Can I take a poll for this? Did not understand. No. Fuck. What did I say yesterday? Was I teaching so shit that nobody was able to understand it? Okay, no issues in that. Let us try to understand it once again. No issues. I can spend some time to making you guys understand, because making you understand is the most important thing. Everything else is secondary. Today, guys, I am having some work. That is the reason why. So my office work is still pending. That is the reason why we'll be having a 30 to 45 minutes of class itself today. Otherwise, I will get fucked up by my boss tomorrow morning. Okay, but yes, whatever time we'll be spending, we will try to make sure that we are able to understand everything that we are doing currently, guys. Okay, no issues in that. Good. So where is my so first of all, anybody who says Docker is a technology, what do you have to do, guys? What do you have to do? Show them the middle finger. Okay. Anybody who says Docker is a technology, show them the middle finger, guys. That is the first thing that you need to understand. Okay. So what you need to understand is that first, anybody who shows, okay, that Docker is a technology, what do you have to do? Always remember that. Now let us try to understand what is Docker. Docker is a company, guys. One of the biggest companies in the world. Every single company, whether you are looking at Amazon, Google, Microsoft, you're looking at any company of your choosing, just pick any particular company of your choosing itself, they are using Docker within their own companies. Any company of your choosing will be using Docker. Now, what is this Docker? Docker is a company itself that utilizes a concept that is called as containerization. See, my spelling is also bad, my handwriting is also bad. So I will just write containerization. Okay, so that I am not able to identify what I have written right over there and nobody can complain about the spelling as well. Okay, so containerization. So this particular company called as Docker utilizes a concept called as containerization itself. What does this containerization mean? For example, your mother, okay, your mother created some roti, okay, this is your roti, okay, and some sabji. This is some sabji, okay. So roti and sabji, your mummy has created, your mother has created this for you, right, guys? Please let me know. So your mother has created this for you, right, guys? Please let me know. Your mother has created roti and sabji for you. Now, please don't tell me that I'm not able to understand this. This is roti and sabji. Okay, if you're not able to understand that, then I'm so sorry, I can't teach you. Okay, so now if you keep this roti and sabji on grass directly, the roti and the sabji on grass and start eating it, will it taste the same? Will it taste the same? Please let me know. If you keep the roti and the sabji directly on the grass itself, will it taste the same? No, right? It will not taste the same. If you put the roti and the sabji directly on sand, you keep the roti and the sabji directly on sand and start eating it, will it taste the same? No, right? It will taste different. Okay, it will not be tasty, it will not be something healthy as well for you, it is not right for you. Okay, so think about your code as well. This is your code, guys. This is your code. This is the software that you have created. Okay, it might work. So inside of a plate, okay, if you keep this roti and sabji inside of a plate, are you able to eat it or not, guys? Please let me know. If you keep it on a plate itself, are you guys able to eat it or not? Please let me know, guys. When you keep the roti and the sabji on your plate, does it feel good? Okay, will it have the same taste itself, right? So, for example, think about your PC. Okay, this is your PC, guys. This is your PC, and inside of it, you are having your code. Inside of it, you are having a code. It is working absolutely fine right over here. Your code is working absolutely fine right over here, guys. Now, if I shift this code, if I send the same code to your friend's computer, I send it to your friend's computer itself. Your friend's computer, I shift the same code to your friend's computer. It is not working. It is not working properly. There is some problem with it that you are not able to understand it. Okay, there's some problem with this that you are not able to understand it. So both the places, both the examples, some problem is coming when you're shifting your food from a plate to some other particular field. Maybe if you are trying to eat it directly from the grass, no, it is not working out for you. You're eating it from the mud, no, it is not working out for you. Only on a plate it is working. So you want to make sure that no matter where I'm keeping my roti and sabji, no matter where I'm keeping my roti and sabji, it should taste the exact same to me and it should not hinder my health. It should not hamper my health as well. It should taste the exact same on me. So what would you do? You will place your roti and your sabji on a tiffin, inside of a tiffin box itself. What will you do? You'll shift it to a tiffin box itself, right, guys? Let us shift this to a tiffin box. Let me just erase this out for you guys. Okay. This roti and the sabji looks like a vomit and a poop. I don't know why. Like my drawing is not that good, I know. But it looks like vomit and some poop. Like some, I don't know why that is there. Okay, so like I said, guys, what you will do is you will take a tiffin box and you will pack this up inside a tiffin box itself, right, guys? You'll pack this up inside of a tiffin box. Now, if you are keeping that tiffin box on a plate, you can eat out of that plate as well. You keep that tiffin box on the stand, you can eat out of the tiffin box directly. You can keep that tiffin box on a grass as well. You can eat out from that as well. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Inside of a tiffin box, you can place it anywhere and start eating it. It will still feel the same. It will not hamper your health as well. It will not hamper your health as well, guys. That is the point that I'm trying to convey to you guys. The same thing happens while using, okay, while using your Docker, that is your containerization technology for your code as well. Think of the container as a tiffin box, guys. Think of the container as a tiffin box for your code. So what you tell is that I will containerize this code. I'll put it up inside of a container. I'll put it up inside of the container. And now I will shift, instead of shifting this code to some other place, I'm going to shift this entire container to your friend's PC. I'm going to shift this entire container that contains the code to my friend's PC. And because it is still inside of my tiffin box, it will still work no matter what kind of PC he's having. He has a 19th century PC or the latest PC, it will still work properly because of that container. Think of the container as a tiffin box itself. I know yesterday you guys were not able to understand that concept of container. That is the reason why today I changed the topic into something that you guys are able to understand. That is tiffin box. Okay, that is tiffin box, guys. Are you guys able to understand this concept of container right now? Is the basic intuition behind it, or still you are having problems? Please let me know. So please make your background transparent. Oh, are you guys not able to see it or something? I don't know. Let me check. I have no idea. Okay, I think so. You guys are not able to see it. What should I do? Should I just remove myself from here? Where is paint? Now I think so. You guys should be able to see it. What I've drawn right over here. I'll drink some water in that particular duration. Back. Where am I? Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Samuel, you can just reverse the video and like understand it once again if you just want to like learn it back. Okay, no issues in that. Now, tiffin box can be of two types, right? Think about two types of tiffin boxes that are there. One that is of the latest tiffin box, sleek, okay, thin. It has various kind of features as well. It can heat up your, so depending upon if your food inside of your tiffin box is supposed to be hot, it will just automatically heat it up for you. If it needs to be cold, it will automatically cool it out for you as well. The newest version, okay, newest tiffin box that is out there. Okay, and then there's the shitty ass old tiffin box that basically looks something like a dabba system. Okay, it is of metal. If keeping your food in that for like 5 hours, 5 minutes as well will make it go cold. Okay, it will not look proper to you guys. Okay, it will look like shit, and it does not look good as well. It will occupy a lot of space for you. Okay, so that is the problem with the old tiffin box. This old tiffin box was a particular technology called as VM, or virtual machines. This old tiffin box was a particular technology called as VMs, or old virtual machines, guys. And right over here, guys, all these is basically the newest technology, that is your containerization technology, that is basically given out by Docker. Okay, by the company Docker itself. Okay, so try to understand this. In VM, what they do in Docker, they only provide, this tiffin box only provides the software with everything that just the software need, just that software. If it requires four things, one, two, three, four, if it requires four things, only those four things from the entire computer is being provided to that particular software, nothing else. Only those four things from the entire computer. Okay, whether it be a particular software, another software, whether it be a particular amount of RAM, whatever it requires, only that much will be provided, nothing less, nothing more as well. Only that much, so that that particular software can survive inside of the tiffin box. Inside of the tiffin box. A VM, on the other hand, provides everything to the software. whatever it requires and more than that as well. For example, a VM will provide the software with an entire computer, that okay, it is a particular software, it needs to be run. Okay, I will provide it the entire computer itself, take up the entire computer, whatever a computer has, I will give it to you. Now you can run. Of course, if you give everything to a software, it will always run, right? If you give the entire, so for example, if I am a human being, I require some food, some water, some air, these three things to live. These three things to live, I just require some food, some water, and some air to live. I will live in that. Okay, whereas on one end, so Docker basically provides, Docker to survive a human being will provide it with just air, just food, just water, nothing else. And that food as well will be just a balanced diet, nothing fancy. But VM will provide the human with Netflix, with TV, with house, with air, with everything that is there in the entire world. Car, bike, scooty, aeroplane, everything will be provided to you guys. Okay, everything will be provided to you guys. So that makes VM very big. Okay, that makes VM very big, guys, to use. Whereas that makes your Docker very small to use. It occupies less space. It is very easily portable as well, very easy to use as well when compared to VM. Okay, so that is the reason why people have shifted from this concept of using VMs to this concept of using Docker. Okay, because from the perspective of optimization, your code needs to be optimized, your code needs to be fast, it needs to be small, and that is the reason why we use Docker, guys. That is the reason why we use Docker. Are you guys able to understand why do we use Docker, guys? Please let me know. Are you guys able to understand this? Please let me know, guys. Oh, my back is paining right now. I don't know why. Good. Amazing, guys. So now we'll be opening up Docker's website, official website itself, just to make us look very like, oh, we are very intelligent. We look at websites and their documentation. So, leaving that shit out, let us just open up Docker. So this is Docker, guys. This is the official official website of Docker right over here, as you guys are able to see it. Okay, Docker is a free software to use for you guys. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. It's a free software. Every single big company will be using it at any particular point of time. You don't have to worry about it. And see, as you are able to see, Adobe, AT&T, Integrate, PayPal, everybody basically use Docker. No other AWS is there, Azure is there, Sync is there, Google is there. Everybody uses Docker. Okay, and it is very simple, guys. Learn more about containers. Use containers to build, share, and run your applications. Package software, containerize, blah 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 blah. So all these different topics are there, guys. We will directly jump into coding it. We'll be creating our very own containers. We'll be seeing what are images. We'll be seeing Docker volume, Docker compose. We'll be seeing many of the commands that we are going to use inside of Docker, guys. We are going to study about Docker Hub as well. So all these different things we'll be doing it from tomorrow's class. Today, like I said, guys, I am having a particular office work that I'm still pending. I need to complete it by tonight, or otherwise I might from tomorrow I will be like, yes, dude, I don't have a job, so I need to complete it tonight itself. Anyhow, I've already pushed it way beyond what it needed to be at. So we'll end our class right over here itself, guys. I'll give you guys the attendance link right now. Okay, and we'll continue our class from tomorrow itself. Will that be fine, guys? Please let me know. I'll send you guys the link. So it will be day 4. I guess it's day 4. 4 response, send link, shorten, copy, close. Please fill out the attendance thing right now itself, guys. You are having the attendance thing will be open up till 9:03. Okay, the attendance thing will be open up till 9:03, guys. Okay, please, Suresh, you are not getting the submission link. The submission deadline has already gone through. Why do you want the submission link? Submission link, I will just check up the submission link itself then if that's the case. Why did you guys right away here? There's no issues in that. Check project submission, Instagram clone. 2nd March midnight is the edit. Yeah, I'll just send it to you guys right now. For those guys who are not able to get the Instagram clone project submission link, I will provide it to you guys right away here itself. Okay, project submission Insta Scalo any clone. Okay, so I'll pin it up right over here, guys. I'll pin it up right over here for you guys. Do not worry. Why do you guys get so overly enthusiastic about it? You guys can just talk to me about it as well, and I will still help you guys out. Where am I going to go? Okay, but everybody's like, no, no. Where is the attendance link? Outcome. Where did I? Send the attendance link one more time. No issues in that. The attendance thing will be closed at 9:03, guys. The attendance thing will be closed at 9:03. The attendance link has already been provided to you guys. People have started filling up the attendance link as well. People has already started filling the attendance link up. The attendance link will be closed at the 9:03, guys. The attendance link will be closed at exactly 9:03. Please start filling up the attendance link itself. Okay. We'll meet in tomorrow's class, guys. We'll meet in tomorrow's class. We'll continue from right over there. No issues in that, right, guys? We'll meet in tomorrow's class and then we'll continue from right over there, right, guys? Just sending the attendance link 1-2 more times itself. No issues in that. Please fill out the attendance link, guys, on time. Thank you so much, guys. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay, bye, guys. Bye, bye, guys.